if you want to change theme on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer and then just look for the themes app, which is of course used in order to get a new theme on your phone. So in here we're just gonna switch to themes category over here, and of course at the top we can see all these categories, and we should be able to find a bunch of different themes that you can get. Many of them are actually for free, you don't have to pay anything. And let's say I like this theme over here, and if I want to use it, I just have to use download button at the bottom of the screen. Now keep in mind that many themes might have been created for different versions of the Android or Hyper OS. So in that case, of course, we might see some at least this text of compatibility issues. So we're gonna tap on OK, and just keep in mind that some features might not be working just as intended. We can also go ahead and choose customize in order to, for example, try to exclude or include something. In this case, we can see that the status bar and the system changes will not be applied, but everything else can be applied. And there we go, theme has been applied. We can of course just press on the apply button as well. And there we go, we have a new theme on our phone. This is how it looks like. Let's also open settings as an example. It actually didn't change anything, so that's fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.